word.
T is for apple, shiny and red, healthy and sweet, yum yum said. B is for ball, round and bright, throw it high with all your might. C is for cat that says meow meow, drinks its milk, just look at how. D is for dog, friendly and kind, wags its tail, never far behind. E is for elephant, big and strong, walks so slow but life so long. F is for fish that swims all day, in the water splash and play. G is for goat that loves to jump, on the hill up every bump. H is for hen that lays an egg, on the farm near the peg. I is for ice cream, cold